Hey Tubes, Blazer Project. Well, yeah, I know it's been a while. Well, needless to say, the holidays hit, everything went south, and I had other things come up with the family and so forth. So, needless to say, things happened. So, that's it. Not going into detail, just things happened, and here we are today. Now, a while back I had a plan to build a temporary structure around the Blazer. Well, I just saved over 300 bucks right here because at work they're doing some expanding and I got all these boards that are all heat treated. We're gonna start building that one piece at a time. Today we got to cut these long pieces down to 8 feet, get the driver's side more elongated than the passenger side because I'm gonna start there. Stinking bug. So those get cut down to 8 feet. We're gonna center them up in these buckets here, and we're just going to pour concrete in them, and these will be the foundation of the structure that goes around the Blazer, so I can keep working on it during the winter time and when it gets cold. So hang tight, let's get doing, and I got to get these things cut. So chop saws out, concrete's in the truck, and let's get to it. Okay, they're done. Well, to this stage at least. What I've done is 8 feet tall, screwed some boards in the bottom, a couple of screws in the bottom as well. Smaller brackets only need just one, plus some screws in the bottom. This one is a little bigger, so I put 2 boards on it, and that'll help keep it as centered as possible. Now on to the Quikrete. Got 6 bags, which should hopefully be more than enough. And if there's any extra, there's extra. And I can keep that dry. Reaching toolbox here. The other mixing thing got busted, so had to go get another one. Plan is get those mixed, and I'm going to let them sit for a week, so I'm going to get to doing that, go get the tripod, which I forgot inside, and set you guys up, so hang tight. Alright, now the concrete is Quikrete. Just went down, local store, got 6 bags. Now when you're mixing it, you want to have a good consistency, if you want to say that. So, open it up. And, of course, instant fail. Probably should have poured the whole bag in there, but oh freaking well. It's gonna get used anyway. Side. Now, all you really need, basic garden tools or a mixer if you got one. But me, I do it this way. Got water. You want to pour in a little at a time. That works. Now let's start mixing it up. First, start with a rake or a tine. Just start mixing it up. There we are. Bring you over and I'll show you what we've done. Now after all that mixing and everything, that's what you want. Checked all the corners, we're all good. Now I'm just gonna scoop it into the buckets and just get it even, and we'll call it good, and then these will set. So I'll be back in a moment. All right, that's all done. I just got done cleaning up tools and everything. So these I've got to set for a full week. Because of the temps and everything, I want these as hard as they can get. So, yeah, ain't perfect, but they're gonna work just fine as far as when they set up that way, they don't move. Now, the plan is, these are gonna be sitting down here on the bottom. Gonna have runners over the top, and then a little bit for a peak, piece of PVC pipe for the roof, peak of the roof, and plastic over the way around. That way I can work on this thing without having to worry about the elements, or let alone have to do with anything else. So there we go. The rest of the concrete, I still got 3 bags left. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with it, but I'm going to stick it in a trash bag for now. Make sure it stays watertight. But I'm going to be getting back on this thing here pretty soon, as long as I can. So, see what happens. But needless to say, the holidays are here. You all know what's going to go on. Things happen, family comes up, and everything else. So, that's that. Plus, also having toolbox, still paying that off. Still bites, but this, hey, the wood freaking saved me over 300 bucks right there. So that's that. But other than that, the Blazer will be coming back. Trust me, I know you guys want to see more of it, but 40-hour job and life takes time. So yeah, 3 bags left. I think I know what I'll do with it, but we'll see. Well, I gotta clean up the rest of this mess, so like, subscribe, comment. I'll catch you all later, and stay frosty out there, and also follow me on Facebook, because I may not post much, but when I post, so I'll talk to you all later. Peace.